Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, there is a good news which is coming here from Infosys. Infosys on-campus exam is scheduled on 3rd, 4th of January and 9th, 10th of January. Now, when I was searching for the latest syllabus, I could not find it anywhere. And I know most of you are preparing from the old syllabus only. So in this video, I will be also telling you, so what are the new section which is introduced and how are you going to prepare for it? And what are the most important topic which you have to keep in mind when you are going and writing the examination? So that also we have discussed here, each and everything I'm going to explain you. So I request all of you to please do like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any kind of update, and also some puzzle questions, right? So that also we will solve, and one I will ask you to solve. So these complete things we are going to do in this particular video. Before that, I know many of you will have two major queries. Sir, will Infosys hire through off campus? So the chances are very less. Okay, the chances of Infosys hiring through off campus is very less. Okay, now, and this on campus is for 2025 batch, and the link will be provided from the college only. So Infosys is not sending any link from where we will be able to apply, and this is for the system engineer role, Infosys system engineer role. I hope your doubt is cleared now. So those who are having exam, so they can continue watching the video. So Infosys recruitment, they wanted 70% some system requirement and all to take the test, and here they have given the qualification. So 2025 batch, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, okay, MCA, MSc, Computer Science, Electronics, Mathematics, Physics, Statistics. Academic requirements, as I said, 70% in both 10th, 12th, 7 CGPA or 70% in UG PG. Consistent academic performance with 70% throughout. And here you could see we are excited to announce that on 3rd and 4th of January 2024, Infosys will be conducting a recruitment drive on our campus. The Infosys team will visit in person to conduct the entire hiring process. All students are required to attend in offline mode at our college campus. We are seeking female candidates to join Infosys, so offering a competitive compensation of 3.6 LPA. Okay, and then again you can see here, first phase of the process will be conducted on 9th, 10th and 11th of January. 9th and 10th will be online test, and interview of shortlisted candidate will be happen on 11th of January. Venue for the process is this. In the first phase process of around 2000 students will be conducted. Important point is the students will get notification about the slot from Infosys before 1 or 2 days of the test. So all the students should be ready to travel on the short notice. Clear? Now, so if we'll talk about how many sections are there, friends, Infosys exam is easy. You do not have to take much stress. So 7 sections are there. Reasoning ability test, number of questions will be 15. Okay, and maximum marks 1 marks for 1 question. And the time given will be 25 minutes from reasoning. Technical ability test. So technical ability test is nothing but aptitude. 10 questions will be there. 10 marks will be given and 35 minutes. So you are getting sufficient time. If you'll see TCS exam and all, for 1 question you will be getting hardly 1.5 minute. Verbal ability test, 20 question, 20 marks and 20 minutes. Now the confusing part is section 3. Section 6 and section 7. So all 3 are like verbal ability, English grammar and English writing test. Pseudo code will be there. 5 question, 10 marks and 10 minutes. Puzzles will be there. 4 questions, 10 marks and 10 minutes. So 2 marks question, 2 marks questions will be there, and 2 3 marks questions will be there. So total 10 marks. And English grammar and English writing test. Now, if we'll talk about English writing test, so here what they're doing is, so basically it is a essay writing test only, but you have to write a paragraph. So instead of essay, now you have to write a short paragraph of around 50 words. Okay, So 50 words means if you write 5 to 6 lines, so that will be nothing but your essay or paragraph writing. English grammar test. So friends, that I will explain you in detail. And then verbal ability test. So these are the 3 things. Now once you understand this, then let us go back to the next page. So here if you'll see, so one of the student who recently got selected, so she has given these details. Infosys system engineer pattern. Section 1 reasoning must do topics. So coding, decoding, data sufficiency and sitting arrangements. Okay, section 2 technical ability must do topics, data interpretation, percentage, time and work. Section 3 verbal ability, grammatical error, data sufficiency, I mean in verbal ability also reading comprehension. Okay. Section 4 pseudocode and or jaw type question, increments, decrement. Section 5 is numerical puzzles. Section 6 is English grammar, 1 paragraph. So need to fill in the blanks. Okay, so basically one paragraph will be given like I was, going there, I met her, okay, she was something running, okay, I gave her a letter, okay, something like this. So that paragraph will be there, that you need to fill in the blanks. And then section 7 English essay. So this is basically a English paragraph also, you can say essay also, around 50 words you will have to write. And each section have its separate cutoff. So see, suppose in reasoning, if you do all question, I think it was 10 question or 15 question. So if you do all question, technical ability also all questions, but suppose if you do not write section 7 itself, then it's of no use of giving till section 6, because every section has a separate cutoff, so that you need to keep that in mind. Okay, now this will give you a very good idea. And then again, so this charts, if you'll see, so essay is not essay, basically a paragraph which I told you, 50 word till 50 words. Technical ability includes few quant question. So when I wrote, it included majority, discount, profit and loss. Okay, write 5 lines without mistakes, that is enough. That is regarding this paragraph. Use simple vocab. Today just revise those time, speed problems, profit loss, percentage, graph based question. Now you got an idea which all topics are important, right? Okay, so after this, now this is a puzzle question if you'll try to see. So here 2379 5946 7928 something. So here you see 9 into 3 will be what? 27. So 2 is on left side and 7 is in the right side. 9 into 6 is 54, 5 is in left side, 4 is in right side. 9 into 7 is 72, 7 is in left side, 2 is in right side. 78, 56, 5 will be in the left side and 6 will be in the right side. So what is the missing number here? So that is definitely 5. So option D, 5 will be the correct answer. One puzzle which I am giving it to you, okay, so that you can solve it. And now how to prepare? So that is a very important thing. So how you will be able to prepare for Infosys, exam in the short period of time. Let's say if you have 7 days, 5 days, a week time, then Infosys crash course is going to play a very important role. Now you know the important topics. Now you go to the content. Okay, aptitude, numerical ability. There will be a lot of topics will be there, but it will be half of an hour topic will be there. Okay, so you will be able to finish like, see, problem on simplification you read, problem on simplification part 2 you leave, average you read, percentage you read. So what you do is you increase the speed little bit, okay, because I have covered with very I mean normal speed is there, so slow you can say, so you can make it little fast. Percentage, profit and loss, important topic, age, number system, okay, HCF, LCM you can leave. Okay, just a minute. Okay, sorry, I was inside the topic, but get it as soon as possible. The link, there is some problem, I think some desktop site or without desktop site, some issue is there, because this is a panel, so definitely some kind of issues will be keep coming. Okay, so I'm telling you the important topics only. Okay, so then problems on edges, logarithms you can leave, ratio proportion you cover, and then time and work you cover, pipe systems you cover, partnership, simple compound interest only one, installment based you can leave, permutation probability you can just have a look, clocks calendar you can leave, mensuration you can leave, progression you can leave, quality equation you can leave. Okay, data interpretation is very important, so 3 parts are there. Data interpretation, all parts you need to go through. Okay, problems on trains, time and distance, trains and boats and stream, this you cover. Statistics is not required. Okay, so only important topic I am telling you. So that will hardly take you like 10 hours, which you will be able to cover in 2 days. Now just go back, and then reasoning. So reasoning also you don't have to go for the practice videos, only go for reasoning videos that you cover. And then verbal ability you do not have to go for everything. Okay, so just go for exam specific topics, that will be sufficient. And some practice questions are there here that you can solve. And then you just go down and fine, and then you can see Infosys pseudocode you just have to read everything. Puzzle 5 videos if you read, that is more than sufficient, because I have covered all the types of puzzles here, so that will give you a lot of idea. Okay, and then mock test is there, so mock test you can cover or you can leave it, no problem. Infosys previous year question, 13 videos are there. Infosys 20 Feb 2020, 2 questions, and these 2 are covered. And then essay writing, so paragraph writing is there, that will get covered. And when you examine specific topics, when you go through, so there this paragraph fill in the blanks, that will get covered. So get it as soon as possible and read it. So definitely see, if you're looking for some crash course which will definitely help you to crack Infosys, then this is where you have to start your preparation, and 5 to 7 days is more than sufficient. You can easily do it. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care.